Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Beautiful Soup series. So, alright, we learned how to grab an HTML string, basically, and we looked through it, we parsed it, we turned it into a Beautiful Soup object, and then we printed it out. So, let's just go ahead and go back, because now, here we are, here's the string, it understood and it put it in HTML status. Now let's look at some of the attributes so we can begin to understand the power of what. So we have our soup, right? There it is. It's our soup object, our Beautiful Soup object stored in soup. So if you look really close, it looks exactly like the string, right? Okay, well, let's look at HTML, and this is an attribute because it's not a method, has no parentheses. So the HTML, okay, this is what I want to draw your attention to. It's not printing the HTML file or the HTML form, it is printing the tag, everything in between. So now if I were to go and print the head attribute, soup.head, I'd get this. Now if I were to narrow it down even more and do title, I get the title. Now also, let's look at, because we're going to see really soon how the powers are of this, but I think I want to do where we bring in, I think next, so we have a lot to do. We need, because right now we're kind of cheating where we have the file, the string, sitting right here. So I think next we're going to blur in requests, then we're going to blur in regular expression, and you'll see how this all sits together. So alright, let's look, because this gets very cool very fast. So I want to draw your attention to this. Okay, how many paragraphs do I have? 1, 2, 3, and then soup dot a right here. I just get the first one. So it begins. So you're beginning to see how nice this is. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Let me check my notes here. Is it title? Is that what I want? Yes. So now, so we got dir.soup.title. So check this out. So I can go even further into here. Title.string. Ooh, that's not. Boom. So I now have one of the tools to go in and get the actual title without my tags. This is how awesome. This is just one of the awesome things. So here's a little bit of a wow. Sorry guys, my voice is not doing well. So alright, what was I gonna do? Oh. Did I bring in just Beautiful Soup? Nope. Import. But most importantly, if you're new here, this is what we do. We do micro videos. BS4. And then dir on BS4. And we build upon them, one subject at a time. So here's a little bit of foreshadowing. Regular expression. So Beautiful Soup has pulled all these things together, and we are going to be using regular expression to go in and parse and search very soon. I think we're going to blur in requests. We'll do that next, and then we'll go and do regular expressions. So you'll see where we build on this. But make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, the notification bell, because we do have micro videos. And I love that term because I did not come up with it. So that was one of our awesome subscribers and viewers. One subject upon a time. You can come back, find the specific video. You don't have to remember it. They're all here. But thank you guys as always. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.